Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add comparison table for your site in Bigcommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is what? Comparison table. Click here on sign up for free. When you're gonna do it, you want to sign up with Google, Facebook, or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Now here you will have applications and you want to write here comparison. You're gonna see it here. Where is it? Give me a second. I need to find it. No, contact form. Yeah, pricing table, here it is. Pricing table, and then you will have it here, comparison table. Now just continue with the template, and you can actually edit everything here. Table, content, change everything here. And also what I recommend is order now. You want to have it on your affiliate link or on your product. So edit the photos and everything. Then you got appearance. You can also don't have title, don't have pictures, really up to you. Now just click save. And when you got it, let's copy the code here. But right before that, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out in your site, go with the light version. But if you're on got already 50,000 views or 5,000 views, go with the basic or pro plan. Then you got all packs, but we will get to it on the end of the video. Let's copy the table. Let's add HTML here. And let's paste it. I just paste the code here and that's all. Now let's see how it looks like. And voila, here we got it. But as you can see, it's a little bit, we need to play around it because I edited it as a column. Voila, here we got perfect comparison table. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Also, I recommend checking out all the applications here, the Pro Pack or Basic Pack. If you're gonna check out Placeit and you are going to more apps, I don't know, the WhatsApp chat, the Facebook chat, the Facebook feed, etc. What I recommend is choosing the Pro Pack or Basic. So that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe, and also if you liked it, you can hit the like button. And yeah, thank you everybody. I hope you are going to have a great day. See ya and goodbye.